Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Excel Book. This tutorial is the second part of our loan and its component calculation series. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about calculation of principal amount component in a loan. But before that, subscribe to our channel if you haven't and press the bell icon and never miss an update from us. In the previous video, we calculated equal monthly installment of a loan. An EMI has two components. One is principal amount and another is interest amount. In this video, we are going to show how to calculate principal amount component in EMI. Continuing with our example where we had calculated EMI in cell C10, in cell C11 we entered 1 since we want to calculate interest portion that Mr. XYZ required to pay on their first installment. In cell C12, we are going to calculate principal portion of the installment for the requested period. We are going to use MS Excel formula PPMT. P means principal and PMT as payment. In cell C12, we will write equal to bracket open. Rate. Rate is the periodic rate of interest. In our example, interest rate is 8% per annum, which we are going to convert into monthly series rate by dividing 12 since year consists of 12 months. Then periods. This is the number of period for which the value of the interest needs to be computed. In cell C11, currently we entered 1 in this cell. Then number of periods. This is the number of period for completely paying back the loan. In our example, it is 48 months. Present value. This is the loan amount. In our example, this is 10 lakh since Mr. XYZ already paid 4 lakhs as down payment. Future value. This is the future amount to accumulated. In our example, we are not going to use this since we are dealing here as a loan. Present value or future value must be 0 depending on whether one wishes to calculate the periodic amount for a specific present value or a specific amount to be accumulated in the future. Then type 0, which is also the default setting if the periodic payment or receipt are at the end of the period, and 1 if the payments or receipts are at the beginning. In our example, Mr. XYZ opted to make the installment at the end of each month, hence we selected 0. After entering formula, we will get value of 17,746.26 rupees. The same will come in negative value since Mr. XYZ needs to make principal amount payment and since the same will be debited, hence the negative value. So that's it in today's video. In the next part of our video series, we will learn how to create amortization schedule in MS Excel along with calculation of interest component of EMI. So, if you find this tutorial interesting and knowledgeable, then subscribe to our channel, like this video, and if you have any query, then write the same in comment section below. Thanks for watching.